Have you ever pondered the health implications of the fish on your dinner plate? It's a well-known fact that fish are a rich source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and a host of essential nutrients. However, not all fish are created equal. Some species can pose a risk to our health due to high levels of environmental pollutants, heavy metals, and other toxins. So, buckle up as we dive into the world of fish and their potential health impacts. Starting with sharks, these oceanic predators are known to accumulate high levels of mercury over their long lives. Consumption of shark meat can lead to mercury poisoning, impairing neurological development in the young, and causing health issues in adults. Next up, we have swordfish. These large, predatory fish, much like sharks, are known to contain high levels of mercury. Regular consumption can lead to adverse neurological effects and developmental delays, especially in pregnant women and young children. Then, there is king mackerel. This predatory fish is another species with a high mercury content. Regularly dining on king mackerel can lead to mercury toxicity, causing neurological symptoms, cardiovascular effects, and reproductive issues. Moving on, we look at tilefish from the Gulf of Mexico. Known for their exceptionally high mercury levels, these fish pose a significant health risk. Pregnant women and young children in particular should avoid consuming tilefish due to potential mercury-related harm. Bluefin tuna is another fish to watch out for. Some bluefin tuna are known to contain elevated levels of mercury and polychlorinated biphenyls, or PCBs. These persistent organic pollutants can accumulate in the fish's fatty tissues, posing health risks upon consumption. Then, there's the orange roughy. This deep-sea fish is prone to bioaccumulating mercury and other contaminants due to its long lifespan. With slow growth rates and susceptibility to overfishing, orange roughy also faces the threat of population depletion. Last but not least, we have the Chilean sea bass. Known to contain elevated levels of mercury and PCBs, this fish is often subject to illegal and unregulated fishing practices, leading to sustainability concerns. It's clear that while fish can be a healthy dietary choice, it's crucial to be aware of the potential risks associated with certain species. By staying informed and making thoughtful choices, we can enjoy the benefits of seafood while mitigating potential health risks. So the next time you're eyeing that seafood menu, remember to steer clear of these 7 fish: shark, swordfish, king mackerel, Gulf of Mexico, tilefish, bluefin tuna, orange roughy, and Chilean sea bass. Your body will thank you for it. Now that we've covered 7 types of fish you might want to avoid, let's take a look at a few more. This isn't to scare you away from seafood entirely, but to help you make informed decisions about what you're eating. First, let's talk about imported catfish. These fish are often sourced from countries with less stringent food safety regulations, exposing them to a range of contaminants such as antibiotics, pesticides, and industrial pollutants. These contaminants can accumulate in the fish's flesh, posing health risks to those who consume them. Next up, we have farmed tilapia. While tilapia is commonly farmed for food production, the farming practices can vary widely, leading to differences in quality and safety. In some cases, farmed tilapia may contain higher levels of contaminants such as PCBs and dioxins compared to their wild-caught counterparts. It's essential to source tilapia from reputable suppliers that adhere to strict quality and safety standards. Lastly, we're looking at Atlantic cod. These fish populations have been heavily exploited and are often exposed to high levels of environmental contaminants due to pollution in their habitat. While cod is a popular seafood choice, consumers should be aware of the potential for contamination with mercury, PCBs, and other toxins. These additional fish species highlight the importance of considering not only the nutritional benefits, but also the potential health risks associated with seafood consumption. By staying informed about the sources and potential contaminants in fish, individuals can make healthier choices to protect themselves and their families.